What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Samyang, and today I'm excited. So I got these ghost pepper noodle here off of eBay. So I've been seeing everybody trying it, and I just want to see what the hype is all about. All right, let's see how spicy it is. I made 2 cups right here. So it's supposedly over 1 million Scoville. Are you guys ready? Let's take a look. I got 2 packs right here, alright? I'm sure it can't be that spicy. Supposedly, it's spicier than the Samyang 2x spicy noodle. But we will see, alright? Let's dig in. Woo! Let's take a look. I'm kind of nervous eating this noodle. Oh my god. Oh, wow, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Ooh, it's definitely spicier than the Samyang 2x spicy noodle. This is only 2 packs too. Oh my goodness, yeah, it's spicy. It's spicy. I'm gonna try not to drink any water. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's spicy. Oh god. Oh my goodness, I got the hiccups already. I don't know if I can do this, guys. Oh, I got the hiccup. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating already. Instantly. Oh my goodness. You guys probably don't believe me that this is spicy. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. I'm all sweating already. Woo! It is crazy. Oh, I got the hiccups. My face is starting to feel numb, guys. Oh, man, this is crazy. My face is starting to feel numb. Oh my god. I'll be right back. I need some water. I gotta get some water. Oh, this is insanely spicy. It's like 10 times spicier than the Samyang hot sauce. I am drenched with sweat within like a minute or 2. Oh my god. Oh, my tummy is burning. Be right back, guys. Oh my god, yeah. Whew. I'm almost done. Oh my god. My face is all numb, guys. I made some eggs too. I'm gonna put it in to water it down. It's too spicy. Oh my god. I dare you guys to try this. Oh my goodness. It is crazy. Need my soy milk. Drink here. Oh. Woo! It's so spicy, my face is numb. It's crazy. I got the hiccups. Oh, my ears are kind of ringing too. This is crazy. Oh, I will not do this challenge again. I will not do this challenge again. It's so freaking insanely spicy. Y'all do not want to try this. Actually, you know what? Y'all probably... Oh, I can't speak straight. Ugh. Y'all probably don't even believe me how spicy this is. It's insanely crazy. I challenge you guys to try this. And let me see, alright, you guys? If you guys like the video, please like. You know what? Just for trying this, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, alright, you guys? Thanks a lot for watching. Ugh.